to set up a fingerprint unlock in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter security and privacy, and then we can go down until we find the device unlock. When you enter device unlock, go for the fingerprint. Before you actually will be able to use fingerprint, you also need to have screen lock. So if you haven't already, create your screen lock and then click on it. Now you need to enter your current password and click on this button, read through it if you like, and then you need to agree to the terms. When the terms are accepted, you can click on Start to begin your fingerprint setup. You will need to touch in this area from multiple different angles on your finger. So keep touching it like I'm doing, and after a few moments our fingerprint will be set up. And here we have it, our fingerprint unlock is set up. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.